How to fix people nearby not loading on Telegram in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Telegram. Now here you can check your Telegram update. If your Telegram have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Telegram, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you can see the Telegram app. Now click on it. Now here you can offload your Telegram app and reinstall it. Now click on reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.